Hi, my name is Mr. Lang, and I'll be one of your math teachers this year. Um, this purpose of this video is just to give you a little bit of an introduction about me and what you can expect a little bit from me this year. It is my 27th year teaching and my 22nd year at Jefferson. Before I came to Jefferson, I was at Benilde St. Margaret's High School for 4 years, and I was at Richfield Junior High for 1. I went to high school at the Academy of the Holy Angels in Richfield. I went to the University of St. Thomas for my undergrad, and then I went to Concordia University to get my master's. I'm also the advanced placement coordinator at Jefferson, and I currently reside in Lakeville. I teach 3 classes. I teach Conceptual Algebra 2. I've been doing that for 21 years. I teach AP Statistics. I've been teaching that for 19 years, and I actually created that class and started it 19 years ago with 18 students, and now we have 6 sections of it every year with over 150 students that take it every year, so I'm pretty proud of that. I also teach intermediate algebra. I've been doing that for 4 years. My family, my wife, Tammy, we've been married 11 years this summer. I have 4 kids, Matthew, who's 22, who lives in Aurora, Colorado. Andrew, who's 18, who's going to be a freshman at Concordia University. In fact, I am moving him in today, later on today, so that's pretty exciting. Jacob, who's is 10 years old and in 4th grade at Lake Marion Elementary School in Lakeville. And Luke, who's 7, he's a 2nd grader, also at Lake Marion. I also have a pet. I have a dog named Ginger. She's 4 years old. For hobbies, I have a cabin up north in Garrison, Minnesota, and we spend most of our time there in the summer. This summer we're up there for like every other week, so we'd be up from Monday to the following Sunday, and then we'd come home for a week, and then we'd go back up for a week. So we spent over half the summer there for sure. I'm a huge sports fan. Anything Minnesota I like. Gophers, Vikings, Timberwolves, whatever Minnesota sports on TV. Having great fun now watching the Twins, that they're back. I was very happy that they returned to play. I'm also the JV boys tennis coach at Jefferson, so if you're looking for something to do in the spring, guys, come talk to me. The season this year is going to run from May to July, so it's even going to spill into the summer because of COVID. TV shows, I like to watch sitcoms, and I like sports. I actually just started watching Big Bang Theory from the beginning, again, because I really like that series. I listen to country music. Everyone in our family does. It's pretty much all we have on the radio. For movies, I love science fiction. My favorite movie of all time is the whole Star Wars series. I can watch them over and over again. Love it. Favorite food, probably number 1 on my list is ice cream. I have ice cream every single night. And my favorite ice cream is Quick Trip ice cream. They have their own brand. It's the best vanilla ice cream I've ever had. Sometimes I have it twice a day. I like pizza, and I like cheeseburgers too. So if I could have cheeseburgers for lunch, pizza for dinner, and then ice cream as my late night snack, that'd be a perfect day. As far as my personality goes, I'm enthusiastic. I think you'll find I'm super organized. I'm patient. I'm understanding. Funny, I think, and caring. I want everyone to do well. I want you to do your very best, and I'm here to help you in any way. And I truly mean that. Don't ever hesitate to ask questions. Don't ever hesitate to send me an email or ask to do a Google Meet. I am here to help you succeed. Here are some pictures of my family. This was taken 2 years ago at a wedding we were at. So it's a little bit out of date, but we haven't all changed that much. My little guy, Lukey, he still has that same expression on his face. This is my oldest, Matt, who's 22. That's his senior picture from a couple years ago. They don't have any recent ones of him. This is Andrew. That's his senior picture from this year. Super excited to take him to college today. These 2 in the middle, that's Lukey. He's the 7-year-old. Those are a couple fish he caught last summer. He's just learning how to fish, and he loves it. You can see our dock and cabin in the background, and that's our lake. So those are taken up at in Garrison. That's Jake. He's our professional fisherman. He can bait his own hook. He can take the fish off. When people bring their kids to our cabin, he takes them fishing, baits their hooks, takes the fish off, etc. He's a pro. That fish on the right is a bass that he took him all summer to catch that fish. It was living under our boat lift. We could see it all day long. And he tried to catch it 5 or 6 times where he actually had it on the line and would break the line. Finally, towards the end of summer, he caught it. So there it is. We did release it later. And then this is Ginger. That's our dog. My wife, having 5 guys in the house, needed some female companionship, so we got Ginger. All right, so that's a little bit about me. I'm excited to get to know you guys, and I really hope that at some point this year we're in the classroom so that we can meet face-to-face and in person. But I'm excited for this year. We've done a lot of planning and preparation for this, and I hope it'll be a better experience than Distance Learning 1.0, that's what we call last year. So I'm excited to get this started, and I'll see you online in a couple days.